you know, snatched. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, aka RoseMetics, and today I am back with another video. So today I am going to do a Q&A just to like get to know me a little bit more, you know. So yeah, I just got this new little mirror. It's like super tiny. This is my hand in the mirror right here. You see the difference in sizes, because when I use this, it gets like in the camera. Like if I were to put it right here so I can see, it would get in the camera and then block half of the screen. So then that's why I don't use that one, and then I'm gonna use this little mirror right here so I can do my makeup. You see, it's way smaller and nice, and it's cute. $5.99, $6. Yeah, just a nice little update of my makeup stuff. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the video. That was bad. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So for my eyebrows, I am going to the same thing I always use. I'm going to use the MAC brow pomade in the shade Black Track. Yeah. And I have like this new set of brushes I got from AliExpress. They're like a bamboo-ish brown. If you guys want, it's like a bamboo-ish brown. Yeah, I think it's 22 brushes. If you guys want like a review on those brushes, I can also do that. And I am going to use their eyebrow brush. It's the Menji, and their eyebrow brush is like has two heads. For the eyebrow and then concealer. And I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, same one, 2 shades. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Gotta put my questions down, you know, so I can see. So the first question is, what is your full name? So my full name is Rose Bianzi Perez Jean-Marie. So my name Rose comes from like my mother, because her name is Rose, but like Biondi, the second part, it comes from like, it's a combination of my mom and my dad's name. Can you guys hear me? I don't know if you guys can hear me. So Biondi is a combination of my mom and my dad's name. It's kind of like, this is the brush I always used, and the tip is very flat, like super skinny. And that one is like a little thicker. Right here, it's a little thicker. So I don't know if I try to do like a side-by-side comparison. You see the difference? With this, I can like get like the little hairs and the little strokes. But with that one, I don't know, man. But it's the eyebrow brush. That's what it says it is. I am gonna go ahead and finish my eyebrows really quickly. Brows, I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa and Toffee. Toffee for the bottom and Dark Cocoa for the top. And the second question is, how old are you? I am, how old are you and when is my birthday technically? I am 18 years old and my birthday is on February 7th, 2001. Going to be using the Juvia's Place palette. I have a review on this palette on my channel. The video should be up in like a week or two. This video will come after, but you probably might have seen that review before this video, because I'm going to post the other video before. My Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to use that palette to do like an everyday look, because it's like neutral shades. So I'm gonna do something simple, and yeah, and I'm gonna use these three blending brushes. I mostly use like 3 to 4 brushes to do my eye makeup. When it's like something like normal, like an everyday look, I usually use 3 brushes. But when I'm doing like something like extra, I use like the rest of these. But that's not what I'm doing today. So yeah, I am going in the shade Kano with a fluffy brush to do my transition eye color. So the next question is, what is your favorite season? So my favorite season would be summertime, because I grew up in Haiti. I spent most of my life in Haiti, and it was always like sunny and hot. This is why I love summertime, because you don't have to wear like long sleeves. You don't have to worry about being cold, and I hate being cold, so there's that. And the next question would be, what is your favorite holiday? So my favorite holiday would be Christmas, because you get gifts. First of all, you get money, and you get like gifts that you like, of stuff that you like need or something, depending on whoever gives you the gift, you know. And oh shoot, I thought there was an animal next to me, and it's just the reflection of this. And you get to like spend time with family, and you're like in vacation, and it's like cold and snowy. Even though I don't like the winter, the winter would be my worst season, because I hate being cold. But I like when I'm inside, I look at the snow. This is my second winter. Well, it's summertime right now, but this is my second winter. And I really like when you don't see snow a lot, you really like get to enjoy it. I wish it could be hot and snowy at the same time, because I don't like feeling cold, but I like the snow. So it's just like, yeah, just a little. But yeah, other than that, you get to spend time with family, you get like gifts that you like and everything. So this is the reason why I like Christmas. The next shade I am going to be using would be, what's this name? Mino, to do like an outer quarter, like an outer, my English, come to me. The outer corner of my eye, I will be using Mino, just to like darken it. I'm going to use that same blending brush that I use, just like wipe it down a little bit. I'm gonna go in my next shade, because it's an everyday look. The next question is, what is your favorite food? My favorite food of all time would be French fries. And all of my friends know that, because every time we go out to go eat, the first thing I ask for is French fries. If the place does not have French fries, I will leave, because I love French fries. French fries, you know, see, I can like write a book on French fries. That's how much I love French fries, guys. The best fry, I think, is seasoned fries and curly fries. Oh my god. And when you have a combination, you see, when you have a combination of both, curly seasoned fries, you don't see that often. But when you gotta enjoy every little moment, you know. Like, I usually love eating my fries with like mayo and ketchup. A lot of people think that's gross, but it's really good. You should try it. Mayo and ketchup on the side, and then you like mix it, and it turns like into like this pinkish type sauce, and you dip your fry in there and you eat it. Oh my god, it's the best thing ever. It's the best thing created in the world, you know. So I'm changing my mind. I am going to use that angled brush to do the corner, because This one is not working out. But yeah, my favorite food of all time would be French fries, because if you mess up if you mess up French fries, what are you doing with your life? Like, I don't understand. How can you mess up French fries? How? You know? So the next question would be, are you a righty or lefty? I am a lefty. I was born a lefty, and there's a lot of things that lefties can't do, so I had to learn how to do a lot of things with my right hand. I write with my left side. I use my brushes with my left side. I even see better with my left side. Like if I were to like close my eye, I would see better with this eye. Not that I'm blind or anything, but I just like see better with this eye. And I do everything else with my left hand. Next, I am going to use, I think I want to do Amina, but I'm flipping more towards like Benin, because it's more like of a brownish subtle. So that's the one I'm gonna go for. What is in my throat? So that's the color I'm gonna go for. I need to find a flat brush. These brushes are, oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to use this brush. It's like a flat-ish brush. It is a eyeshadow brush, and it's flat. I'm gonna use that to pack the glitter color into my inner corner. The next question is, what is your favorite perfume? My favorite perfume is Nude by Rihanna. Oh my god, this perfume smells so good. Nude by Rihanna and Rebel by Rihanna. Like, Rihanna, she got something she's doing, like, but her perfume, she has it in like a perfume bottle and a body spray. I have both of them. When I like go out like fancy places, I use the perfume, but when I like everyday use, I use the body spray, because the what is wrong with me today? Because the body spray is just like more like simple, and the perfume is like really strong. So that's why I use the body spray every day, and I use the perfume when I go out fancy places. I'm gonna go back in with the color Mino, with the color Mino and the blending brush, just to blend in the glitter with the brown. I'm going to be using my Clinique mascara, and I think I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild mascara, Max Volume 2, just because I'm not putting lashes. So then I'm just gonna do that just to like have a little bit of extra length or something. I don't know. More volume to my lashes. That's the word, volume. Yeah. So the next question is, excuse me as I die. Anyways. For foundation, I'm going to use the Sephora foundation, the same foundation I used. To bake my under eyes, I'm quickly going to use the Laura Mercier, because we all know if you do not bake your under eyes, quickly it will crease. And then I'm going to use the Becca powder, translucent powder, I mean. I'm going to mix those two. Ooh. That's the first time I do that, guys. Pray for me. I'm gonna mix those two and see what happens. So the translucent powder is like, looks like these. Ooh. Well, yeah, it's right there. It's like brown and white. Ooh, hold on, pause. When you like put powder on top of this, when you finish it off, this could actually look good. So the next question, I'm sorry guys, I forgot to do the next question. The next question is places I've visited. So I've lived in Haiti my whole life, and Haiti has like 10 departments. So I visited Gonaïve, which is like where my parents were born. Gonaïve and Dédune, I visited those two places. And I went to France because my mom had like some work thing she had to do there. I went to France back in 2014, I believe. But yeah. And I went to New York. I have family in New York and New Jersey, so I went to these two places. I went to Florida one time because I also have family in Florida. I keep packing this on like it's just nothing. What is wrong with me? Next I am going to use my Sephora powder and my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the shade 68 Deep Mocha, and this is the shade 360 and Mocha. Oh, wait. Yes, Mocha Mocha. What a coincidence. So I went ham on the under eye powder. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me loose powder because I made my face really light. This is too dark, that's why I'm not adding a lot, and I'm not adding it everywhere. Lip gloss, but sometimes I like to like define my lips more, so then I would put like these are like eyebrow liners, eyebrow pencils. I used to use those to do my eyebrows, but I don't anymore, so then I just use it to line my lips, and I would put a lip gloss around it, and I would remove the middle and then put lip gloss again because it like leaves like the pinkish part of my lips out. So that was it for my Q&A and my everyday makeup. My phone is dying, so I gotta quickly do my outro. So yeah, if you guys liked my everyday look and my Q&A, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can click on my channel. I will put the thingy right here somewhere, you know, the little, you know, that little circle thing that you have to click, and then click the bell notification to get notified every time I post a new video. I am going to try to be on schedule because I graduated from high school now, and I'm in vacation, and oh my god, and I'm in vacation, so I have a little bit of free time. So I will keep you guys updated with like I forgot to take this off. I will keep you guys updated, and I will try to have a schedule to like have like a day where I post my videos, and I'm gonna try my best to get them edited and everything on time. So yeah, that was it for my video, and I hope you I need to take some pictures. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video.